All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up this GoPro Hero 10 Black and how to switch out the micro SD card, and also how to charge the battery. So anyway, you got to come to the left side when the camera's facing you. You're going to catch it right here in this little thing. You're going to push down. It's going to open up the door that leads to getting out the micro SD card or inserting it, and your battery. This is your battery. That's your charge port for your USB-C, and that is your micro SD card there. So to get it out, what I do is I kind of push on it. I put my finger here, and it kind of lifts up. Then I use these tweezers. Notice how it went in with the face this way and the gold towards the front of the camera. So that's how you get your card out. Put it back in. You could use tweezers if you want. You just slide it in there. Make sure you don't stick it in between the battery and the case. So you should feel that little spring there. Once you get that, push it in, bam, done. And that's basically how you take it in and out. You're ready to go. Here's your battery. You can see it right here. I just kind of leave it in there. The way it goes in is with these contacts are going to go this way. The name GoPro is facing to the front of the camera when you slide it in. See that tab? That tab makes it so it's easy to pull out, just like that, right? This little thing's a pain in the ass. Get her in there, bam, shut it down. There's your port. It's a USB-C port. Notice I've got a USB-C. See the difference? It doesn't matter which way you put it. You know, you stick it in that way, or you could flip it around. It's all the same, no matter what you do. And that's how you're going to charge it. And then you're just going to leave that port door open and set your camera down and just wait for it to charge. Give it a couple hours and it should be ready. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff.